Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today, we're starting a new series off. We're here in Farming Simulator 22, and we're gonna do challenge. We're on the hardest difficulty, started with $500,000, bought this here piece of land, and this truck, off Marketplace, and we're gonna try and make a successful cattle farm. Hopefully it'll work, but, no, maybe it won't, I don't know. We'll try. We have $298,000 left in the bank. I'm gonna get a tractor here so we can start. I guess what we could do, I could just go ahead here and get some cattle. Do I go with this? No, I don't think I do. Okay. No, I think that's probably gonna be the best bet. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go with this expandable pasture. Where on the land do I place it? Do I want to place it up here? Maybe. Or no, because this is gonna be the big main field. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, never mind. I guess I don't own that. Okay, I don't own that. Okay, this is what I own. I'm gonna place it there. Okay, I just love how it's like in the ground. Okay, so painting. Let's get some meadow. Now, guys, say whatever you want about me putting this over a field, but hear me out. I don't care. I do it all the time. Okay, animals. Pasture expansion. And we probably should get this fenced in too. Not looking to hold too much cows right now. I'm thinking we're gonna go dairy probably. Yeah, we're gonna go dairy. Go ahead and get this fenced in. Oh, I hate that all the good fences are at the end. Alright, here we go. Meadow. No, you gotta fence it in. Okay. Can I place it? Okay, that's gonna be good enough. Sorry for all of y'all with OCD. Alrighty. I got the pasture built. Still need to plant some more meadow in there, but so ran into one problem. I accidentally placed part of the cattle expansion or whatever outside of my properties, so that is a bit of a problem. Okay, I'm probably gonna put grass on that. So, as you can see, or I guess, no, as you cannot see right now, cattle might be outside the fence. Just fair warning. I only have $150,000 left to buy cattle and everything. Okay. Let's go ahead and just get some cattle in here. Okay, why am I doing it the hard way there? We'll just get some, just 60. Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. There's some cattle. Yep, I trained them to be outside the fence. And they can just walk through the fence, you know. I trained them. So anyways, now what we're going to do, let's go get get them some TMR. Okay, I was about to say, what's the difference from those two? Okay, let's go ahead and buy those. Oh, and we need water too, okay. What even is this? Soybeans, okay. Thought it was some sort of bean. Yeah, I know, I bought it without knowing it was planted because I'm just gonna plant some grass. Oh shoot, I need a big bag lifter. Okay, well, good thing leasing is a thing. We gotta feed those cows, you know. Oh shoot, am I stupid? Can you seriously not pick up big bags? Okay, I'm stupid. Oh, and yes, let's save it right now. Best time to save. I love it. Okay. I'm in the wrong menu. Okay, so I need a big bag lifter, don't I? What is that for? Telehandler. Not that. Okay, I'm so confused. Okay, so we're gonna lease that. We're going to lease that. And let's see. Can this take a front loader? Yes, can. We're going. Nope, not buy. We're gonna lease that. Alrighty. Oh wait, did I buy the right one for this tractor? Okay, I did. Good. I don't know if you can buy the wrong one. I don't usually use these. Okay, how does this thing work? Okay, I think I see how. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna be a problem. It might work better if you get more than, or just one, but okay, so no, get off, stupid thing. Okay, so that like barely even works. Might have to make a few trips, you know. Okay, what the heck is going on here? Oh, it's rendering. Okay, so it thought that I strapped that down for some reason. And wrong button. Okay, let's go get these cattle some feed. And then okay. Let's see. We need, no, not Michelin's. Okay. We need some Wawa for them. Let's get this, because I know they like Wawa a lot. And let's go get some Wawa off of them, not the gas station. I'm talking about the liquid. The stuff I'm drinking right now, actually. Where? Okay. Don't mind me about the trespass, okay? Just, you guys didn't see anything. Alright. Understand? Understood, okay. Good. That's the gate back there. Guys, I totally know the owner of this property. He 1000% gave me permission. Just say that if any cops come. Or sheriff, or state trooper, or game warden. Okay, you got some water. I love floating trees. Oh, I thought it was floating. Okay, now I just seem like a complete idiot that's just, I don't even know, schizophrenic. I probably could have just gone to that ditch right there. Don't want to jackknife it, and I just hit their fence. I didn't hit their fence totally. You know, just in case landowners watch. There we go. Deer call. I wonder if any deer will come. Alright, do y'all like my squatted truck? I just squatted it, isn't it so ugly? Guys, I'm not gay, it's a joke. Alright, let's go get these cattle some well-deserved water and food. Okay, this might be the best cattle pasture ever in the world. Just trust me on that one. Okay, will I be able to big bag feed them? Okay, I can. That makes this so much easier. Oh my gosh, that is so easier. Alright, so they should have good enough food for now. And good enough water, so I'm just gonna pass forward and just wait a bit. But for you guys, it's gonna be like this snap right here. 3, 2, 1. That was the worst snap. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hey y'all. I might sound different. That's because I forgot to unmute my mic. So I'm recording a voiceover right now at 12:23 a.m. and I'm stuck. So, yeah. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go buy a trailer that I can put all the big bags on. Also, sorry, I'm eating right now. I'm hungry. Midnight snack, you know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the longer option, probably. I don't even know what that says, but okay. Sure, I guess I'll go with that. Gooseneck. Where's the Rams? I don't see no Rams. Am I stupid or? I don't know, I'm probably just stupid, but. Alright, Mega Rams. I don't think I'm gonna be using this tow much since I live right next to the shop. I mean, it would be handy later on in the series, but you can always just buy a new one, I mean. Alright, yeah. I think this one, yeah, this is probably good. I don't know if it has ramps or not, hopefully it does, but. Alright, let's go pick that up. Anyways, while I was away, or during that 1 second when I snapped, I went and got more water and food, so, yeah. Man, these barbecue chips are amazing. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here, I honestly forgot. I recorded it like 6 hours ago, so do you really blame me? And there's no audio, so I don't even know what I said. Alright, anyways. This is basically just reaction now. Okay. Alright, so anyways, let me go get this trailer and get some big bags loaded onto it. I don't even know if y'all can hear me eating. I'm just eating some Lay's barbecue chips. Alright, let's get hooked up. There we go. Turn off the truck so I don't waste gas, you know. Diesel prices these days. Alright, let's go. Get some bags loaded up. Only got 4 bags to load, so. I mean, I can always buy more. I've got $46,999, so. I'm not running super low, but in game terms, I'm running low. Just get these. I'm gonna try and get them all in a line so I can just pull up. And with the trailer. Whatever. I don't think I can fit all 4 in just one line here. Oh well. Yeah, let me just look at some of these used vehicles. I haven't done that. Okay, that's a pretty good deal, but I can't plant grass with that cedar though. Alright, anyways. I don't need that big of a tractor. Alright, and of course I have to save. Chip break. Alright. Anyways, let's get this last big bag loaded up. Alright, there we go. Now we can go feed the cattle more. By the way, may I take this time to mention, I have a mod installed where your vehicles have like 5 times wear when they're not in a shed, so I should probably get a shed soon. Oh, especially in rain and stuff. In rain and snow, it's like 5 times more wear. Alright, let's just pull up on in here. Alrighty. Let's see if I can try and parallel park the trailer. Yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Okay, I'll just back it in. Gosh, I need to soften up this terrain. Here, maybe I can just like, I don't know. Okay, let me just destroy my truck and trailer here. Alright. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Oh, beep, beep, beep. You guys like my noise of sound effects, whatever. They're not the best, I know. No, actually they're pretty good. I think I should be a Hollywood actor. Ooh, what's this slushy doing? It's melted. Still tastes like blue raspberry though. Still cold. It's from like 7 hours ago, gosh dang. Alright. Let's feed these fatties. Alright, there we go, now we're... Oh, now it's the only one big bag went. Okay, now I have to angle this just the right way. Okay, I'm just gonna go at it straight, so not an awkward angle. There we go. Alright. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Sorry. Pull up more. No, I think I just need to be closer to the fence. Okay. I'm saying a lot. Wow. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm saying a lot. So, you know, do you guys think I'd be a good stand-up comedian? I don't think so. Alright, there goes another one of the big bags. Okay, let me just straighten back out. Yeah, I really need to stop on this terrain. Okay, why do I keep saying, okay. Yeah, no, it's just not draining. Yeah, okay. No, this should be enough food, I would think. I mean... Is that the end of the video? Okay, I guess that's the end of the video, guys. Goodbye.